Today we're going to make the letter I using mosaic art.
Let's get started.
Let's get started! All you need is, yeah? Okay,
And scissors.
yeah. Be careful with those. Yeah, pencil's good.
And the glue.
Good.
This is paper.
Yeah, construction paper. You need 2 colors for that. One
I
light, one dark.
am choosing red and orange.
Then you choose red and yellow. Yeah. What did you choose?
I choose the brown and blue.
I choose purple and orange. Oh, and there's one more thing we all forgot. What is this?
Paper.
White piece of paper. Yeah. So now get a small ruler and trace around it like Riyadh is doing at the top of the page. So now you do the same thing on the bottom of the page. So now get your big ruler and trace it, and at the middle of the page, and when you're done, it should look like an eye. So now get the lighter colored construction paper and fold it like this. So fold it in half. And then fold this one in half. I know. So now open a page and cut along the creases. You can use the scissors. Can I? So now stack the pieces that you have of construction paper and cut them in big pieces any way you want.
I did a cut.
So get your large pieces of construction paper you just cut and
then you glue them on
outside of the eye, and make sure they don't touch. No.
You know what happened to my class? They graduated all of my friends, and now I'm in grade 1. I'm turning grade 1. Yay!
And also on Tuesday it was my class's last day of school, and grade 3 is now done. Hello, bye grade 3. Hello grade 4. Yay! Bye SK.
Hello grade 1. Sunday मेरा केक आएगा.
Yeah, it's his birthday on Sunday. Hey Virat, can you say a sentence that one word starts with the letter I?
I am Virat.
Good job! Yay! Now I'm gonna say a sentence which all the words start with the letter I. If it is in India, it is incredible.
Whoa! Yes! Oh! Oh! Yes! Oh! Yes! Oh!
So now get your dark page of construction paper and fold it like this in half, then half again.
The same thing.
Yeah.
I can't do this.
Yes, you can.
I can't.
Yes, you can.
Sure.
Okay. Good job, Vivan. Yeah. Open the page up like if it's a treasure map. And then,
Oh, treasure map.
oh, the treasure is, now we gotta cut on the crease.
This is not so sad.
One is done.
This is not so sad.
One is done.
Ah.
So now, stack the 4 pieces up and cut small pieces, okay? Not big ones like we did for the other color, smaller ones.
Good job. So now we have to get your instruction paper and then you have to glue them on. But be careful because it doesn't have to touch the marks or touch the light on the instruction paper. Let's get gluing.